Dear friends, the 33rd Tuesday of Ordinary Time invites us to reflect on the theme, Change of Heart. Today we have the story of the conversion of Zacchaeus. This story about Zacchaeus is like the young people who will go through just to get near their favorite actor or actress, favorite singers or musicians, favorite businessmen, favorite politicians, to click a selfie or to shake hands with them, etc. Jesus must have been quite a celebrity in Jericho on that day, and everyone wanted to see him because of the miracles and healing he had been doing. Zacchaeus was hidden in the tree though when Christ walked by. Jesus looked up and told him, "Come down quickly, for today I must stay at your house." Zacchaeus must have reacted with astonishment, and it makes you wonder if Jesus laughed about his reaction. The Gospel says Zacchaeus received him with great joy. And of course, the crowd was jealous because Zacchaeus was such a sinner, and they complained so much that Zacchaeus promised to repay everyone 4 times what he owed them. Zacchaeus was branded by his fellow Jews as a sinner for whom there was no hope. Imagine how surprised Jesus' followers would have been to see Jesus not only talk with Zacchaeus but invite himself to this tax collector's home for dinner. No wonder many of the Pharisees were scandalized. There seemed to be no limit to the kinds of people Jesus would consort with. This is one of the most important points Luke made throughout his gospel. Jesus looks beyond the external appearance into the heart of every man and woman. There he sees each person's need for the love of God. Deep in his heart, Zacchaeus must have cried out, "There must be more to life than this." He was rich in material goods, but he was lonely and empty of the love that only God could give. How thrilled he must have been to be able to welcome Jesus into his home. He responded by giving half of his belongings to the poor and promising to pay back 4-fold anyone whom he had defrauded. Such extravagance went far beyond the requirements of Jewish law. It simply flowed out of a grateful heart. Jesus knows our hearts. He knows our sorrows, for he weeps with us. He knows our joys because he rejoices with us. God knows everything about us, even our weaknesses, even our limitations, etc. In fact, he uses these weaknesses to draw us to him. He knows that when we are needy, we are more open to accepting God's love. It is in our weakness that we realize that no matter what we have done, God still loves us, still wants to speak to us. He is always standing at the door of our hearts, asking us to let him in. He is asking us to change your heart. When we answer Jesus' invitation and welcome him into our hearts, we are filled with joy, because only Jesus can fill that deepest part of our being. It is often the very situation that has caused us pain that most opens us up to Jesus. Like Zacchaeus, our desire for him becomes a desperation to be freed from anything that cuts us off from his presence. Zacchaeus would not have stopped cheating and stealing from people if it wasn't for Christ's acceptance of him, just as he was. Christ loved him, accepted Zacchaeus unconditionally. and personally included him in his life, even though he knew what a great sinner he was. This is what caused Zacchaeus change of heart, experience the love of Jesus, have a personal contact with Jesus. Are we personally included in him and through him? Love is the only thing that causes conversion. If we just knew how to love more like Christ loves people, our world would change and become a better place. Christ was able to love deeply because he is both human and divine. Lord Jesus, we invite you into our hearts. Come and fill us with the joy of your salvation. Grant us the freedom to lay at your feet every possession or desire that we have considered more precious than you.